broken yet beautiful. People ask me why I love sunset, as it means everything has an end. But it tells that whenever happens all day, a beautiful end can help it my mind. I love how the lonely clouds stand in the sky, disturb and realize that that's the most glorious thing I spotted. It is beautiful as the weeping clouds pour, the raindrops quite delicate embrace. Your hair broken but still adds to the nature and grace. Broken doesn't mean it is the end. It is for things or people, as they still left the pieces, though broken much more beautiful. Thank you.